The first thing that every student pilot needs to know are the four forces of flight, which are lift, weight, thrust, and drag. Remember that Newton's third law of motion states that for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction, which means that we have to produce lift to overcome the aircraft's weight, and we have to produce thrust to overcome the drag to propel it forward. Now, it's important to remember that these forces are not always equal, otherwise nothing would happen, right? But the sum of all the forward forces does equal the sum of all the rearward forces, and the sum of all the upward forces does equal the sum of all the downward forces, because forces can act in multiple directions. And in order for an airplane to fly, lift must be greater than weight, and thrust must be greater than drag. Now, when the airplane is in straight and level flight, all four forces are relatively balanced, and the airplane is said to be in steady state flight. But anytime that you make a control input or add or reduce power, then you are increasing or decreasing one of these four forces. And the net result of that is the airplane slowing down, speeding up, climbing, turning, or descending. We'll be going more in depth on this later on, but for now, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below.